Hello everyone, I am SOUMI and I am back with a brand new look. I have created this look for upcoming Ganesh Chaturthi. The secret of today's look is that we need only 5 basic products to create it and no applicator at all. The look is totally doable and perfect for home function. It will be helpful for beginners also. I have set this look as not so traditional but simple with something stylish. Actually little different. I have waved half length of my hair and applied oil also to get a different neat look. I like to experiment fusion looks always so that it doesn't become monotonous or boring but always interesting. So let's get started. I have cleaned my face with face wash. Now take a wet tissue and ice. You can take a soft cotton cloth also. Ice pressing is required as today we are not using primer. Ice press will help to minimize pores, eliminate puffiness, especially around the eyes, reduce oiliness, and will help to keep your makeup look smooth, flawless, long lasting and sweat free. Gently press all over face for 2 minutes. I am mixing foundation with my regular moisturizer. You can use BB cream also. I got a very big pimple most probably because of fried food I ate last week. So I have to be extra cautious while applying makeup. I am not using any makeup applicator like beauty blender or brush to blend foundation today. Using my fingers to lightly tap, it will help you to give a better coverage without any applicator. Now to set it properly, take again a wet tissue and press lightly to remove excess foundation and see how it can be nicely blend everything. Please take care of hairline specially. See, excess product has been taken out. In place of concealer, using non-diluted foundation will help for spot correction to a great extent. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon with option all for all new notifications. Applying the same method for other pigmented areas of the face. I am using liquid lip color as blush. Using one dab of the same lip color as eyeshadow, and again finger and wet tissue are our rescuers. Set everything. Any excess, if you feel, remove with very light hands. Defining your eyebrows is very important. I am not overdoing but keeping it natural. I am using kajal as eyeliner. If you find it difficult, use a little cream on the tip of the pencil. It will easily glide. Smudge kajal with finger to give a messy natural look. Apply a coat of mascara. Fill your lips nicely. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon with option all for all new notifications. So this is the complete makeup. Now it's time to add some accessories to add extra sparkles to the look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it was helpful and you like it. See you in my next video. Take care.